what's up? 2025 is already here, right? Let's start the year off right and unlock that English fluency once and for all.
Yeah, Lily. No more messing around. Raise your hand if you've ever felt a little stuck when speaking English. In this video, we're going to give you some amazing tips so you can communicate with people from all over the world without fear.
Dude, we've separated some tips that are like life hacks to boost your English.
Like what? Tell me, I'm curious.
First, forget about just studying grammar all the time. Of course it's important, but, there are more fun ways to learn. How about following some foreign influencers on social media? Like on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube.
Oh, I get it. We have fun and learn at the same time, right? But you have to follow people who post content in English, right? Otherwise, it won't work.
Exactly. And it doesn't have to be just those super formal educational channels. Follow people who talk about things you're interested in, like travel vloggers, gamers, comedians, whatever floats your boat.
That way, you'll actually want to watch their videos and posts, and you'll pick up the language naturally. It's way more effective than just memorizing vocabulary lists.
Totally. And another thing, don't be afraid to try speaking, even if you make mistakes. Seriously, everyone makes mistakes. It's part of the learning process.
Yeah, the more you practice, the better you'll get. It's like learning to ride a bike. You're gonna fall a few times, but eventually you'll get the hang of it.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Find a language partner, join a conversation group, or even just chat with native speakers online.
There are tons of resources out there, language exchange apps, online forums, even just friendly people on social media who are happy to help.
So, what are you waiting for? Start practicing today, and who knows? Maybe by the end of 2025, you'll be fluent in English.
That's the goal. Let's make 2025 the year we all unlock our English fluency.
Okay, so we talked about social media, but what about something a little more zen? Have you ever tried meditating in English?
Meditating in English? Is that even a thing?
Totally. It's actually a super effective way to improve your fluency. Instead of just clearing your mind, you focus on thinking in English. You can do self-talk, like narrate your day in your head, or even visualize conversations.
Whoa, that's interesting. So, instead of thinking, man, I'm hungry, I think, I'm feeling quite peckish, I believe I'll procure a sandwich.
Something like that. The point is to get your brain used to formulating thoughts in English. It can feel a little weird at first, but it really helps.
Okay, I'm willing to try anything. What else you got?
Another great way to practice is by writing in English every day. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just a few sentences in a journal, a post on social media, or even just a comment on a YouTube video.
Yeah, I've heard that before. But doesn't writing focus more on grammar and spelling than actual speaking?
It does, but it also helps you build your vocabulary and get more comfortable expressing yourself in English. Plus, you can use tools like Grammarly to help you catch any mistakes.
Good point. So, basically, we should be surrounding ourselves with English as much as possible.
Exactly. Make it a part of your daily routine. Another great habit is to spend just 10 minutes before bed doing something in English. Read a book, listen to a podcast, watch a short video, anything that keeps your brain engaged with the language.
I like that. It's like a little bedtime story for grown-ups, but in English. It's relaxing and educational.
And finally, and this might sound counterintuitive, but spend more time with yourself.
Wait, what? I thought we were talking about improving our English, not becoming hermits.
I know. But hear me out. When you're learning something new, it's important to have focused time where you're not distracted by other people. It's a chance to really concentrate on your studies and internalize what you're learning.
That actually makes a lot of sense. So, less socializing, more self-study time.
Exactly. And one more thing related to that, don't tell everyone about your goals.
Seriously, why not?
Studies have shown that announcing your goals can actually decrease your chances of achieving them. It's like you get the satisfaction of telling people, and then you're less motivated to actually do the work.
Wow, I never thought of it that way. So, keep your English journey a secret?
Exactly. Let your results speak for themselves. So, there you have it. 5 habits to help you unlock your English fluency in 2025.
Awesome. Thanks for the tips, Lily. Let's do this.
You got it, Max. And hey, everyone watching, we know sticking to new habits can be tough. So, we wanted to share a tool that's helped us a ton. It's called Habitica.
Yeah, Habitica is awesome. It's a free app available on both Android and iOS that turns your to-do list into a game. You create tasks, complete them, and earn rewards like gold, experience points, and even virtual pets. You can even customize your avatar and go on quests.
It's super motivating, especially for things like language learning, which can sometimes feel like a grind. You can set daily goals, like practice speaking for 15 minutes, or write a paragraph in English. Then, you check them off as you complete them and watch your avatar level up. It's really satisfying to see your progress visually.
Plus, it's really customizable. You're not locked into any specific learning method. You can create challenges for yourself, track your habits, and even use it to collaborate with friends on projects. Say you and a friend are both learning English, you can create a challenge together and motivate each other to stay on track. It's not just for language learning, it's for anything you want to achieve. Want to read more books? Exercise regularly? Learn to code? Habitica can help with all of that.
Exactly. And the community aspect is really cool too. You can join guilds with other users who are also learning English or working towards similar goals. It's a great way to get support, share tips, and find accountability partners. You can even go on quests together and fight monsters by completing your real-life tasks. It makes the whole process way more fun and engaging.
One of the things I love about Habitica is how it helps you break down big, overwhelming goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Instead of just saying, I want to be fluent in English, which can feel impossible, you can set smaller, daily goals, like learn 5 new vocabulary words or watch 1 English language video. These small wins add up over time and make you feel like you're actually making progress.
Right. And it's really helpful for building consistency, which is key for language learning. Habitica sends you reminders about your tasks and helps you establish a regular routine. Plus, if you miss a day, you take damage in the game, which motivates you to stay on track. It's a fun way to gamify your productivity and make learning English feel less like a chore.
And let's be honest, sometimes learning a new language can be frustrating. Habitica helps you stay motivated and focused even when you hit those inevitable roadblocks. The rewards and the sense of progress keep you going even when things get tough.
Absolutely. So, if you're looking for a fun and effective way to stay on track with your English learning goals in 2025, definitely check out Habitica. We'll leave a link in the description below. It's completely free to use, and it might just be the game changer you need to finally achieve fluency.
And don't forget to let us know in the comments which of these tips you're most excited to try. We'd love to hear from you. Are you going to try meditating in English? Following more English-speaking influencers? Let us know.
And also, what are some of your favorite ways to learn English? Share your tips with us and the rest of the community. We can all learn from each other. Maybe you have a favorite app, website, or learning method that's worked wonders for you. Share with us.
Totally, we're all in this together. Learning a new language is a journey, and it's always more fun when you have a supportive community to help you along the way.
Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.
Bye everyone and happy learning. We believe in you.